Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making something very special. This is a cupcake bouquet. This is very popular around certain holidays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and of course, weddings. This is one of those that I think is really beautiful, but it's also something that almost anyone can make. So let's get started.
I split a batch of Italian meringue buttercream into 4 bowls. I colored a little bit green, some light pink, and some burgundy with a combination of purple and red food coloring, and I left some white. I put the white, burgundy, and pink in 2 piping bags each, one with a large open star and one with a petal tip. The green I put in 2 piping bags with 2 different size leaf tips. I'm also decorating vegan chocolate cupcakes today. I'm starting with a rosette. I've talked about how to make these a lot before. This is a large open star tip. Begin in the center and turn around the center 1.5 times. Then just surrounded it with a few leaves. I also made the rosette with the white, and pink buttercream. This is probably one of the easiest designs I'm making today, so this is a great one for beginners. Now I'm switching to a petal tip. I pipe a border around the edge of the cupcake and pipe petals around the middle. You do this by turning the small end to the outside and pipe in an arch. Then I piped a cone in the middle. I added some sugar pearls in the middle and some leaves around the outside. This is one of my personal favorites. This one is a bit smaller. I pipe a border along the edge of the petal tip, piped petals around the middle, and pipe another row of petals between the first ones. I added some sugar pearls and leaves. And I made another one in pink. This time I made a trio of small rosettes with all the colors. And added leaves. This one is covered with a buttercream rose. I'll link the tutorial on how to pipe a buttercream rose. It's not that difficult. Then I made another one out of burgundy. I tried to make one out of pink, but I ran out of pink buttercream while piping the rose. So I filled in the empty space with a few quick drop flowers. This one only has drop flowers. If you're not familiar with drop flowers, they're probably the easiest thing to pipe ever. Just pipe a dollop with a star tip. Another great one for beginners. I piped a ring of petals on one side of the cupcake and covered the rest with drop flowers. I added centers the sugar pearls. Then I piped a ring of petals on one side of a cupcake and added a couple of rosettes and drop flowers. So these are just some possibilities, but with all the flowers together, they really do look like a bouquet. This is a great alternative to gifting a bouquet of flowers. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.